Yo, come in, bro. Alright, bet. So, where your mask at? Dang it, got my mask. It's right there. That's my mask, but it's fine. Come sit on the couch. So, just have like a small talk. Like, what have you been doing lately? Get out. Get out. Get out. But why? All I did was just, get out. Get out. Alright, fine. I'll get out. My gosh, bro. Go quickly. Alright, man, relax.